Have you ever seen natural stones glowing by themselves? Imagine walking into a cave and seeing everything glowing. That's exactly what happened to Marie Curie. She found glowing rocks and became super curious to discover what made them shine. Together with her friend and fellow scientist, Pierre, they discovered radium, a glowing element used in glowing stickers, watch hands, and even in medicine. Marie's work didn't stop there. She also helped during World War I by using her discovery to power X-ray machines that saved lives. After Marie discovered radium and polonium, more glowing rocks were found in nature, and they're now used in lights, medical treatments, and space exploration. But be careful. While radium is amazing, it can be dangerous too. There's a famous story about the radium girls, who worked with radium and got sick from too much exposure. Even though it was dangerous, Marie Curie's discoveries changed the world, and she was honored with the Nobel Prize. Now, you get to explore this amazing world with our puzzle, where you can discover the glowing elements just like Marie did. And don't forget to check out our booklet, where you can learn all about Marie Curie's journey, packed with fun activities, pictures, and cool experiments. Let's explore the wonders of science together.